Why renter's insurance is a must-have. Renting your first apartment is an exhilarating experience. Finally having a place to call your own means freedom, independence, and a fresh start. But along with this excitement comes responsibility. Responsibilities that often go unnoticed or underestimated, especially for those just starting out. One of the most crucial yet overlooked aspects of renting is understanding renter's insurance. This video will explain why renter's insurance is a must-have for first-time renters like you. From protecting your belongings to offering peace of mind when life throws its curveballs, renter's insurance is a simple yet powerful layer of security you need. So, let's dive into the essentials of why it matters and how it works. Renter's insurance is a type of insurance policy designed specifically for tenants. While your landlord may have their own insurance for the building you live in, that policy does not cover your belongings or the liability you might face while renting their property. Essentially, renter's insurance is a safety net. It protects you financially in case the unexpected strikes, whether it's damage to your apartment, personal belongings, or even legal responsibility toward others for accidents that occur in your rented space. For first-timers, understanding this distinction is key. Your landlord's insurance will not replace your valuables or protect you from liability. That's where you, as a renter, step in with this affordable and extremely useful solution. Let's make it real for a moment. Picture this. You've just returned from a long day at work to find your apartment flooded due to a burst pipe in the bathroom. Your furniture is soaked, your electronics are ruined, and your clothing, everything, is drenched. Or imagine another scenario. You're away one weekend and when you come back you notice someone has broken in. Your laptop, gone. Your jewelry, missing. Your peace of mind, completely shattered. Without renter's insurance, situations like these can lead to huge out-of-pocket expenses. You'd be responsible for replacing all those items yourself, not to mention the stress and financial burden. Renter's insurance ensures that you're not left footing the bill entirely. It's designed to cover the costs of theft, fire, water damage, and many other incidents. Renter's insurance typically encompasses three main areas. Personal property. This includes coverage for your belongings, such as clothing, furniture, and electronics, in cases of theft, fire, vandalism, or water damage, excluding floods caused by natural disasters, which often require separate coverage. Even items stolen while you're traveling may be covered under some policies. Liability protection. In addition to protecting your possessions, renter's insurance also offers liability coverage. For example, if someone slips and falls in your apartment and decides to sue, your policy can help cover legal expenses and medical bills. It's also helpful if you accidentally cause damage to another person's property, such as a water leak affecting your neighbor's apartment. Additional living expenses, ALE. If an event like a fire makes your apartment temporarily uninhabitable, renter's insurance can cover the cost of temporary housing, meals, or other extra living expenses until your home is livable again. By addressing these key areas, renter's insurance offers a comprehensive safety net for a wide range of scenarios. While protecting your valuables is essential, liability coverage may just be the hero you didn't realize you needed. Say, for instance, you're hosting friends, and one of them trips on a rug, injuring themselves in the fall. If they require medical treatment and decide to hold you responsible, liability coverage kicks in to manage those expenses. Similarly, imagine you accidentally leave the sink running, causing water damage that extends to the apartment below yours. Liability coverage can help address the damages, not just to repair your unit, but also to compensate for your neighbor's losses. Without this form of coverage, you'd be taking on significant financial risk. It's one more way renter's insurance protects not just your belongings, but your peace of mind. One of the reasons many first-time renters shy away from renter's insurance is the misconception that it's expensive. Here's the truth. Renter's insurance is incredibly affordable. On average, most policies will cost somewhere between $15 and $30 per month. That's less than the cost of taking yourself out for lunch or grabbing a cup of coffee daily. For such a small investment, you receive immense coverage that could save you thousands of dollars in the event of an emergency. Imagine spending just a fraction of your monthly budget to protect your possessions, finances, and future. It's an expense that delivers significant peace of mind. When it comes to renter's insurance, not all policies are created equal. It's crucial to pick one that best fits your needs and lifestyle. Here are a few tips to help you make an informed decision. Know what you need. Start by evaluating your possessions. How much would it cost to replace your furniture, gadgets, clothing, and other valuables? This gives you an idea of the level of coverage required. Compare providers. Research and compare different insurance providers to ensure you're getting the best deal. Look at the coverage options, customer reviews, and claim processes. Understand deductibles and limits. A deductible is what you pay out of pocket before your insurance takes over. Find a balance between an affordable deductible and adequate coverage. Similarly, know the limits of your policy to ensure you have enough protection. By carefully considering these factors, you can find the policy that serves your specific needs without overpaying. Let's bust a few myths that may be holding you back from purchasing renter's insurance. My landlord's insurance will cover my belongings. Absolutely not. Your landlord's policy only covers the building's structure, not your personal items or liability. I don't own much, so I don't need it. While it might feel like you don't own a lot, imagine replacing everything: your bed, couch, phone, laptop, cookware, and more. The costs add up quicker than you think. It's too expensive for my budget. As we've mentioned, renter's insurance is one of the most affordable insurance policies out there, often costing less than $1 a day. A better understanding of these myths can help you make an informed choice, rather than leaving yourself vulnerable. Renter's insurance goes beyond financial protection. Here's why it's also a smart, forward-thinking choice. Peace of mind. With renter's insurance, you don't have to constantly worry about the what-ifs. Whether it's theft, damage, or accidents, you know you're covered. Minimal financial impact. Instead of scrambling to replace your belongings or cover legal fees out of pocket, your policy absorbs those costs. A sense of independence. Renting your first place is like taking a step toward adulthood, and handling renter's insurance is a part of being a responsible tenant. It's not just about protecting your belongings, it's about securing your future. As a first-time renter, you may already feel overwhelmed by all the responsibilities that come with your new living situation. Choosing renter's insurance doesn't have to be complicated. It's an easy, affordable step that can make a world of difference if something goes wrong. Reflect on your personal situation. How much would it cost to replace your items or handle someone else's medical bills? Isn't it worth a small monthly investment to gain peace of mind and financial security? Don't wait until disaster strikes to consider renter's insurance. Act now and enjoy the confidence of knowing you're protected. Consider this policy not as a luxury, but as a necessary tool for independence and well-being. Renting your first home is a big milestone, but protecting it is equally important. With renter's insurance, you're not just preparing for the unexpected, you're also taking a stand for your financial safety and peace of mind. Make it a priority, and let the rest of your renting journey be smooth, worry-free, and secure. If you found today's video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit from these tips.